If your AI prompts look like random guesses, you're missing out on some serious magic. Creating and using AI prompts might sound tricky, but it's simpler than you think. Start by clearly defining what you want. Be specific and concise. Imagine you're giving instructions to a friend. Next, structure your prompt logically. Think of it as setting up a puzzle for the AI to solve. Use keywords and context to guide the AI. For example, instead of saying write an essay, try write a 300-word essay on climate change. Now, let's see it in action. You input your perfectly crafted prompt and the AI gets to work. Moments later, you have a well-structured, informative essay ready to go. Feels like magic, right? That's the power of perfect prompts in AI. So next time, remember, clear, specific, logical, and watch as the AI turns your instructions into success. Unlock AI success with the perfect prompt. Happy prompting.